to be a cold one, and it's a bit of a last minute thing. Well, we sort of planned it last night. I'm meeting up with Simon Harvey, the man of Cannon Chase, and we couldn't miss the opportunity to come out on Wednesday morning and photograph the snow and ice. And it's actually snowed a touch more overnight, only a slight blanket. But where we are, I've just drove through some fog as well, which is fantastic. But I've had a disaster at the beginning, but I've pulled it round. So I've had three things happen. It always happens in threes. First one is I couldn't open the back doors to the van. That's where my coat and my gloves were. So I grabbed another coat and gloves. But now I've opened the back of the van. Result. The second thing was I forgot to take my painkillers, all my painkillers, forgot to take them, then realised I've got some in my van, so I've managed to take some painkillers, so that'll help me through the morning. Thirdly, I went for fuel. The fuel station ran out of diesel. Now, what you've got to appreciate is it's about 5:45 in the morning, or that was when I was driving through, so there's not many stations open. So I'm all right for fuel. It's just that it's just one of them. But them are the three things. So, but it's turning round because we've got atmosphere, frost, snow, and it looks well covered. I've just come down this road. I'm the first person to come down this bit of road. So all I'm doing now is waiting for Simon, and we'll crack on, and hopefully get a nice sunrise. Oh, a bit more snow than what I expected actually. But Simon's just he's going to scout up there. So, but where he's actually walking, I don't know, where is it? Where is it? There, where these trees are, is where I'm looking at getting a comp from. I've got my heated vest on. Too hot, way too hot. I've got my Valorette gloves on, and I want to talk to you about my Valorette gloves because they've been sent to me by Valorette. The D-Duke gloves, got them on. I have worn them a couple of times. I've actually done a couple of other vlogs, but I think I'm going to keep this one because it'll suit it because we've got the snow. But they're fantastic. I love Valorette gloves. So thank you very much for Valorette to send them these. They've got merino wool collar around the wrist there, buckle fastener to tighten the wrist up. They fit me just right. Again, the flippy fingers, so you can, with the magnetic on, probably can't see the magnetic, so you just flip the finger end out and work that way, so they work really well. And if I've got time, I'll talk to you about them a bit more, but they are fantastic. But first of all, I actually want to get set up for this shot and then see what happens light-wise. Get a composition as such set up. There's another comp I've got up this tree which I've shot before, so I know roughly where I need to stand for that. But there's another couple of trees that are really standing out, and it's all because the snow that's stuck to it. Enough rabbling on. Let's get a comp set. So I've moved over a little bit, actually moved forward a little bit, which I think actually helps the composition because I can get close to it, but I can see more of the pathway that meanders through it, and it does meander through. There's a lovely little S-curve in the shape there, and I think it would even work as a portrait as well, which I'm going to actually try in a moment. I might even have to, if I could get up higher, I could get more of that. So that shot does actually work really well. Here's Simon coming back now, so he's probably spotted something over there. We've got fog coming in, we've got atmosphere coming in, which that would be amazing because that would give fantastic separation. But we don't want too much where it looks just overcast because it'll be too flat. Look at the mist coming in, you won't see it. Trust me, mist is coming in, it's coming in. Oh, it's already changing, this composition, it actually looks better. It's surprising how quick the light's coming up actually, because the exposure I started at about 15-second exposure, something like that. I'm now on a 1/6 of a second. So bumped into Simon, he's actually got a banger just before the fog come in too much. This is going to disappear quick. The light at the minute is changing really quick, really quickly, within seconds. I don't really see it, but it's got like an orange glow here. It's quite blue behind, and then orange where the sun's going to come out. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So I thought the light was going to actually change and the sun was going to come out. It was starting to break through, and we get these like orange glows within the fog here, and then the fog just rolls back in. So nothing's really changed at the moment. So I've actually got plenty of time, but I'm actually waiting for that transition. I think that transition of light could work really well. But until then, everything's a bit more very minimalistic. But I've come across these two groups of trees, but in the background, we've got this silver birch right in the middle of them. Now I've done a few shots where I've got all of the trees in, and you see less of the silver birch right in the background, and I've also focus stacking it because of the distance between the two. Now I might not use that, but I'm just doing it just in case. But I like how the two dominant groups of trees just frame this one in the distance. Looks really nice. I'm hoping that's going to work. But yeah, nothing's actually changed in 2 hours, which is great. At least you can work it. You're not rushing around too much. But I'm going to head down. I'm going to head down the valley a little bit and see if we can get a bit of different contrast, things like that. Because I got nice energy. It's killing me. I forgot to take my tablets. Oh, one idiot. So I'm finding it difficult. But I come down to the valley to get a bit of contrast because we've got that dark woodland behind with the atmosphere and everything. And I've been walking for 20-25 minutes round. Couldn't see anything really. Stopped and got 1 or 2 shots. A little lone tree, gold leaves still, must be a little silver birch, real small silver birch with its leaves still on. Bit of contrast there. Light bit of coming through, it's fleeting through still. And then I turn around and see this tree that's so contrasted with this dark background, the snow on this side. I've realised I need to look this way for the snow at this 180-degree angle to get the snow covered trees. And it's working really well, but again, it's that contrast and it's just fantastic. Still got a few golden leaves on as well. The rest of it's more that burnt leaves. You get all the end of the branches that look like a burnt, real dark burnt red. It's just fantastic. But then in the bottom left, I have got in the distance there is an old silver birch there as well, so the image works. You just have to excuse me a minute because I've got a real bad back and I'm in agony. I'm in absolute bloody agony. Okay, I'm gonna take it steady and then back. I'm not finished, I'm just heading back. Well, I hope I am anyway. Okay, enjoy this. Let me crack on. So what a fantastic morning we've had. When that sun did rise, the fog and mist just disappeared. So hopefully we've got some nice shots. But that's me done for another day. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch up soon.